So what we're going to go over now is controlled articular rotation for the knee. I have this stick right in through here to give me a little bit more stability, so if you need to stand next to a wall or something stationary, feel free to do that. Steps are, or the rules are, you want to make sure that you don't fully straighten out your knee. You want to keep it slightly bent at all times or completely bent. So slightly bent or completely bent when you do this. You want to focus on making sure the shin bone is doing the motion. You don't want any thigh motion. So when we rotate, when I say rotate in or rotate out, you don't want to see the leg going in like that at all. So the first thing again, you want to make sure you want to irradiate or contract the rest of your body about 10 to 30%. Only the knee is the one that's moving, or the shin bone. So what we're going to do is we're going to rotate the shin bone inward for starters. From there, you're going to bend your knee as much as you can. Once you bend your knee as far as you can, then you're going to rotate your shin bone outward, only the shin bone outward, and then you're going to straighten out the knee, just stopping shy of full extension or until the knee straightens out. We don't want to go into that position. Then you're going to rotate the shin bone in again without moving the thigh bone. We're going to bend as much as you can. Once you reach that position, then you're going to turn outward and then reverse by straightening out. We can reverse the steps by bending the knee with the foot turned outward, just like that. Then we're going to go inward and straighten it back out. So I'm going to show you a different angle. So again, we're going to start with it turned outward, only the shin bone, not the thigh bone. We're going to bend the knee as much as I can, or as much as we can. We're going to turn inward and then straightening it back out, not complete extension of the knee. Rotate the shin bone outward, bend the knee as much as you can, holding that position, turned inward, and then straightening it out again. I'm going to show you on this side, so I'm going to irradiate about 10 to 30%, so I'm going to contract the rest of my body. As I'm doing this procedure, or this move, I'm going to slightly bend my knee, turn my leg inward, just my shin bone, not my thigh bone. I'm going to bend my knee as much as I can, turn my foot outward, and then slowly straighten out my knee. Without full extension, slightly bend in the knee at all times, rotate inward, bringing it all the way up, rotating outward, slowly bringing it back down. I can reverse the steps, so I'm keeping my foot turned outward. I'm going to bend my knee as much as I can, turn it inward, slowly straighten out the knee, and then going the opposite direction by turning it outward, bending my knee, turning my leg inward, and then straightening it back out.